Meaning of commonwealth.
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 Commonwealth. The term Commonwealth refers to a political entity in which power is held collectively by the citizens, rather than being concentrated in the hands of a single ruler or group of rulers. This can take the form of a republic or a federation, and typically emphasizes the importance of community and shared resources. Commonwealths often have constitutions or other governing documents that outline the rights and responsibilities of citizens and the limits of government power. Ultimately, the goal of a commonwealth is to ensure that all members of society have a voice in the decisions that affect their lives.